If you're looking to build a chatbot that seamlessly transfers to real agents, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up this powerful functionality step by step. First off, the key to making a chatbot that smoothly hands over the conversation to a live agent is to focus on two main aspects: understanding user intent and creating clear transitions. You want your bot to know when it's out of its depth and let a human take over without losing the flow of the conversation. Start by selecting the right chatbot platform. You need one that can handle both automated responses and agent transfer. I've tested a bunch of popular tools, and trust me, there's one that stands out in terms of ease of use and flexibility. But don't worry about searching it out. I've got a link for an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of this channel. It's in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Once you've got your platform, the next step is to set up the bot's basic conversation flow. You'll need to create triggers for when the bot should ask for help from a real agent. This could be based on certain keywords or complex queries the bot doesn't understand. Now, this is where it gets interesting. While your chatbot is handling conversations, you need to build in a seamless transition. One common mistake is just dropping the user off to a human agent without any context. That can cause confusion and frustration. Instead, set up your bot so that when it decides to transfer, it also passes along the conversation history and any relevant details to the agent. This gives the agent context right from the get-go, reducing wait times and frustration. To do this, use your software's integration features. Most platforms have built-in tools to help transfer conversations to live agents, and some even offer automatic agent routing based on the conversation topic. Once your bot senses it needs help, it sends the context over and routes the user to the best available agent. The smoother you make the transition, the better the experience for the user. And here's a pro tip. Make sure your agents have access to an easy-to-use interface that shows the chat history, so they don't have to start from scratch. This saves time and ensures the customer feels like they've been heard every step of the way. Key takeaway: if you want to build a chatbot that transfers to real agents seamlessly, focus on setting up clear transfer triggers, passing along context, and making sure your agents can pick up the conversation quickly. It's all about providing a smooth handoff and saving time for both your users and agents. To recap, we covered how to choose the right software, create a seamless transition, and set up those all-important triggers. And remember, if you want to follow along with exactly what I showed you today, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below. It's the best way to get started without any risk. Thanks for watching.